or the duality must be dismantled. Because the true freedom is not duality. True freedom, spiritual enlightenment, is about going beyond the duality. So we got to go, past the duality. And how do we do that? Is examining the duality. Our mind is the duality, the yes and no world. So one must need to investigate or examine one's own mind, one's own attachment to the mind, or identification with the mind. Right now, everybody is identified with the mind, upgraded mind. Upgraded mind is there because of the experience. The upgraded mind is there, or we have the upgraded mind or seeking further upgrade because the world is influencing us to get to that upgraded mind, further upgrades. And that's the trend, isn't it? That's the flow. Again, yes, you can do all these things, moving towards upgraded mind, when you are clear what the upgraded mind or experience are. If you don't know what they are, then it's easy to get lost in it. Upgraded mind, upgraded experience, the seeking that already comes from the place of emotional entanglement, the mental construction. And again, all mental construction is the past. And freedom is the now. And we can only totally give ourselves to the now when we understand the nature of the mind, when we understand our identification with the mind, when we understand our emotional fluctuations. So the conditioning, the ingrained conditioning is already present. And because of that, we need to prioritize time to understand that. Freedom is not cheap. Just like the outer freedom is not cheap, because you have to work, you got to put your effort in the world, isn't it? Notice how much you're putting effort to just